Good evening everyone, I will show you how to make an extension cord by yourself. The first thing you're gonna do is to cut the both ends of the wire using cutter. And then you're gonna open the socket using the screwdriver. And then we're gonna put the two ends of the wire inside the two holes here in the inner part of the socket. Using the screwdriver, make the wire stable inside the two holes. After you put the two ends of the wire inside the socket, put back the other half of the socket. Using screw, assemble the socket to its original setup. And now we're done assembling the socket. We'll move on to attaching the plug into the wire. And we will open the plug using the screwdriver. And then we're gonna put the two ends of the wire inside the two holes here in the inner part of the plug. Using the screwdriver, make the wire stable inside the two holes. After you put the two ends of the wire inside the plug, put back the other half of the plug. Using screw, assemble the plug to its original setup. And now, we are done attaching the plug. So guys, this is our final output. Hopefully now you can make your own extension cord. Thanks for watching. Bye!